small brick repair where you can see these few bricks have busted loose from the bottom here, and so we're just going to make a quick repair there, get that seated back and remortared. Now, a lot of times when we have these, I don't like to reset new brick or chip away the mortar and remortar, because a lot of times you can't get the color of the mortar to match. So this is how we do a lot of these. With if you have multiple bricks that come loose and they're still mortared together, we generally try to glue them back in place. It just makes a better looking repair. So this is how we do it. So we clean this area out here, and we make sure that the brick will fit back tight, and you can see we've got a good tight joint here. So it's basically just remortaring a little area right there. So we're going to go ahead and we use regular landscape construction adhesive. It's the masonry landscape block. For exterior applications like this, it works really good. Then with this, because it's on an angle here, what I'm going to do is just take a small scrap of wood and prop it up underneath the bottom corner here to make sure that's tight. Make sure that that joint there stays tight. So that'll hold. Kind of have unfavorable conditions right now, but usually 24 hours that'll set to where you can pull the block out, and that'll give the mortar repair that we're going to do enough time to cure a little bit, skin over, so you can pull that block out. So once we got that, we're going to switch to tube of Morflex. This is a newer product, and I like it. We've tried a bunch of different ones. There have been some that worked really good in the past that are now discontinued, but this is a newer product, Morflex. It's textured like the mortar, and the biggest thing that we found is the color match to like an aged sandstone colored mortar is pretty good. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and start popping this up, seal this mortar joint. With the Morflex, they say to leave the joint flat because as the product cures, it'll shrink some and it'll give that nice concave look to it. But once everything dries, that'll be held in place and sealed up with a good flexible mortar repair, And like I say, we've got a little bit of rain here, so conditions aren't perfect. We're going to go ahead and get this covered up, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching.